In this video, you'll learn how to add a new page in Webflow. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully created a new page for your website. Begin by navigating to your Webflow project. Open your web browser and enter the URL for your project. Ensure you are connected to a stable internet connection, as this will improve loading times. Once the page loads, look for the page's icon on the left sidebar. This icon typically resembles a document and is essential for managing the pages within your project. Click on this icon to proceed. After clicking on the pages icon, a panel will appear displaying all existing pages in your project. Here you will find an option to add a new page. Look for the plus icon, usually located at the top of the panel. Click on this icon to continue. Upon clicking the plus icon, a drop-down menu will appear with options for creating a new page option from this menu. This action will open a new window where you can configure your page settings. In the new window, you will see several fields to fill out for your new page. Click on the General tab to access the main settings for your page. Here you can enter the name of the page and adjust other settings as needed. After entering the necessary information, locate the Create button at the bottom of the window. Click on this button to finalize the creation of your new page. This step is crucial as it confirms your settings and initiates the page creation process. Once you click Create, there may be a brief loading period as Webflow processes your request. During this time, you may see a loading indicator. Wait for the confirmation that your page has been successfully created before moving on. At this point, you should see your new page listed in the Pages panel alongside your existing pages. You can now select this page to begin editing its content and design. Ensure that you save any changes made to avoid losing your progress. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.